everybody, so this is the new house tour. We are currently moving into a new house. Ronnie did blow the leaves the other day, but here in Texas we had a thunderstorm, so we need to get back out here and clean up this yard, but that'll be in time. As soon as we get settled in, we'll do the yard last, because it does need a lots of TLC in the yard. So let's go on in. Welcome everybody. So let me give you a house tour of the new house we are moving into. So that's the grand living room, and behind me, let me turn the camera around as we enter into a small little foyer, but I love it. I can't wait till I get in here and I start decorating. Over here, so this is the new house tour that leads into the grand living room. Those are old toilet seats that need to be taken out to the trash. We just replaced toilet seats, so we have new ones. I just didn't like the idea of having those old toilet seats, and they were pretty bad, so we just replaced them. So, and over here, as you walk into the other side of the house, is one bedroom. So this will probably be my older son. This way to the other side of the house is our bedroom. There's a fireplace. Let me show y'all the backyard. As I mentioned before, the yard does need a little TLC. So Ronnie can't wait to get out there and power wash that patio and varnish it. It does need a little TLC, like I mentioned. So, and then over here is my washroom. That's my washroom area. Over here is the bedroom, the master bedroom. I'm gonna get rid of that window covering. I don't know what that is, or it's just weird. And here is, oh, hi everybody. Here is the master bathroom. I scrubbed this tub very well. It is nicely clean and sanitized. I scrubbed the toilet. Like I said, we replaced the new toilet seat. So the floors are nicely scrubbed. And here's me. Let me turn on the light for everybody. Here's me, guys. I am so tired. Just exhausting, just having to move all overs again. But here's our towel, bed sheets, whatever we can store in there. Our master walk-in closet. It's pretty big. So, and then let's go over here. I do have a double sink, Ronnie and I, so very nice, very nice. And over here is the garage. Over here it's the